Okay, hello students. We are going to be learning the song Happy Birthday. It is played in a 3-beat song. The chords that are played are G chord followed by the D chord. So let us start with the first line. It will be playing the G chord first 3 times. So it would go like this. Happy birthday to you. So if I would have to sing the same thing with only chords and without words, it would go like this. Happy G 2 3 D 2 3. Okay, so the second line would be playing the D chord first and then going back to the G chord. So it would sound like this. We are playing again all the chords 3 times because it is a 3-beat song. So the second line would go like this. Happy birthday to you. Or if I had to play it with singing just the name of the chords, it would be Happy D 2 3 G 2 3. So let's play the first and the second line together with the chord names. La la G 2 3 D 2 3 D 2 3 G 2 3. Or if I had to sing it with the song, it would go like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So I think we've understood the first 2 lines. If I had to play the third line, we are again playing the song in a 3-beat song. So I would be playing the G chord, and from the G chord I will go to the C chord. So the G chord has the baby finger on G, the middle finger on B and the thumb on the D. And the C chord has the baby finger on C, the middle finger on E and the thumb on G. So the third line would go like this. I'll start with the G chord and then go to the C chord. So it would be Happy birthday dear la la. Or if I had to play it with the name of the chords, I would say Happy G 2 3 C 2 3. Right? So then we can go to the last line and that ends the song. We are playing it in a 3-beat song, so it is a G chord, but now I'll play the G chord only 2 times. That means it is played just for 2 notes in the 3-beat song. So the third beat will have to be a different chord. So the third beat would be the D chord. So let's see how it sounds. If I had to sing the song, it would be Happy birthday to, and then I come back to again playing the chord and holding it down for 3 counts. The chord would be G. You. If I had to sing the line 4, the last line of the song in the chord names, it would be like this. G 2 3 G 2 3. It would be also, we'll try it one more time. La la G 2 D G 2 3. So let me try to put the last 2 lines together. It would sound like this if I had to sing the song. Happy birthday dear la la. Happy G 2 D G 2 3. If I had to sing the name of the notes, it would be like this. La la G 2 3 C 2 3 G 2 D or if you want, you could just hold the chord down as G, 2, 3. Let me play the whole song once again for you. Let's sing it just with the name of the notes so you can try to follow. If you're not able to follow, you can just rewind the song and try to catch it up by listening to it again and again. So let's start. Da G, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, G, 2, D, G, 2, 3. Or if you want, you could play G, 2, 3. You can choose your own ending. Okay, all the best. Thank you.